Hi guys, this is Amar Ramesh and today I want to talk about the act of randomness. Everything that I did over the past 12 years is very random, and the sheer reason that I'm sitting in here in front of you is because of all the random things that I did over the last 12 years. So I was in an IT job, and then randomly I picked up a camera and then started working on it, doing random things with the camera, and then that made me fall in love with photography and then wanted me to pursue it even more seriously. And even while I was learning photography, what I did was random experiments. I would shoot a macro one day, I would shoot a sunset, sunrise, different random things. I wanted to get better at Photoshop, so I would experiment so many, personal portraits. And these are some of the pictures that I took in 2009 or 10. And even after getting into photography, I've done so many random things, like big short films, mizubackdrops, discover Tamil Nadu. All these are a result of all the random things that I do. But one common thing about all these randomness is that sheer pursuit of happiness. So every random thing that I did, I did not go and say I'm going to do a random thing. I just told myself I'm going to do things that are going to make me happy, and that is how all these things happen. I always say, photography is a window of happiness for me. The viewfinder I consider as a window of happiness. So I could be in any mood, and then when I pick up the camera and see through the viewfinder, it's only me and the frame or the window, nothing else. So all these things are a result of this photographer profession that I'm doing. It has made my life content and very happy. So I wanted to do something for that, and I wanted people to pursue this profession more than what they're doing now. So I came up with this character called Photorama. Photorama is basically a neighborhood, very friendly Indian photographer spreading positivity. Why? Because as a photographer, I was able to do so many things in the last decade, right? I was able to build a team, build a business, brand, make some money. So all these are a result of this profession, and I wanted to give back something for that profession. So that's why I created this character called Photorama. So through this, I want to spread positivity as a photographer and also remove the stigma that people have as on a photographer, right? With the technology changes and everything happening around us, everybody is a photographer, and there is a Photorama in every one of us. So I want to touch that Photorama in everybody, and through that spread positivity around. And the first step for us to do that is through the calendar. We wanted to create something tangible, something that will be there in front of people every day. So I'm an everyday guy, as you all know. I believe in every day. So if you make your everyday awesome, then your week will be awesome, then your month will be awesome, and your entire year will be awesome. And then if you make every year awesome, then your decade will be happier. So if you feel you want a piece of this Photorama on your desk and want to see it every day, then just swipe up and place an order. Thank you so much.